How's it going, everybody? It's time for an update. It is now March 3rd. Hey, Boo. Say hi. Time for a home vlog. Tanner, get over here, Mr. Birthday Boy. Today is Tanner's birthday, everybody. What are you getting tonight for your birthday?
I don't know. I was telling Mommy in the truck,
Yeah.
Maybe we should get one of those sinks.
Kitchen sink?
Yeah.
Like a souvenir sink?
Yeah.
Woo!
I was telling
But it was
Mommy.
just going to be me and you getting a souvenir sink. Yeah,
I
don't
was
know.
talking about the whole family.
Oh, yeah, baby.
That's what Mommy
They're really
said.
excited right now. If you guys haven't tell, we're doing the update here at Old Key West for our one night Tanner's Day. You crazy, Boo. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, exactly. So everybody, this is going to be the March update. So as you can see, we are staying at Old Key West for a night, just one night for Tanner's birthday. That, and we're going to Magic Kingdom now. It's already 6:30. It's, yeah. So we're going to go live. We're going to get some ice cream. Hi, Shelly. Everybody loves you. I love your ears. I wonder who got those for you.
You did.
They're from Shanghai Disney. Allie, you ready to go bye-bye?
Nope.
Nope? You don't want to go to Mickey's house?
Do you want to ride the bus?
Yep. Yep. So, we're going to Magic Kingdom. I'm going to leave you guys here. And then we might start in the morning, or if we get back early enough, we might go out to Disney Springs. Not you guys. Me. You guys would be asleep by 9:30, 10 o'clock at the latest. Yeah. And Disney Springs open until midnight. So, either way, and then we'll keep you updated on what's going on, what's new. Well, this is new. This was not planned. We literally planned this like 2 days ago, so it was unexpected.
A few moments later.
Well, we just got back from what I would consider a very successful night with Tanner and Allie. Maybe not so much Allie. Allie is super scared of fireworks. And we were on the People Mover, just riding that around and around during the fireworks show, which was a cool experience, by the way. Definitely fun to do. But Allie does not like fireworks, so it was a little stressful. She didn't say much after that. We did eat the bathtub full of ice cream, and yeah, it's 12:43 in the morning right now, or at night, whatever one you want to call it. I'm still awake. I'm always awake. It's crazy. So I'm gonna head over to the store, grab some drinks. I'm at a Monster, and maybe take one so I can go to sleep. I am not tired in the slightest bit. It's super quiet out here. Alright, with the updates, what's going on for this month? So obviously this month we had Tanner's birthday, which is March 3rd. This weekend I got the Tron preview on Sunday, March 5th. I had to take my kids to a doctor's appointment on March 8th. March 18th we have the all-day People Mover event. Going to Universal Mardi Gras tomorrow. Putting gas in the truck right now. So, doing that. Skyliner, it is 1 a.m. right now. Skyliner is flying. Let's see what else is what's going on. As far as I know, that's it. Shelly does have a surprise for me Sunday morning that she said I can't bring a camera to, so I'm like, that sounds pretty cool. Maybe she just doesn't want to bring the camera, but that sounds pretty awesome. And that's really it for March, like, wise. We weren't expecting to stay at Old Key West this weekend, but Tanner said he would like to stay at the resort and go live at Disney World, so I facilitated what he wanted. This is the first time I've been to here in the United States during his birthday in the last 2 years, so I really wanted to spoil him. Good morning, everybody. It's now 8 a.m. over here at the main building getting us breakfast for the morning, as we are going to go swim at the pool here today on property. We're not going to go to the water park. Change of plans again. It's always a change of plans when it comes with the family. It's also really exciting right now. We just hit 8,200 subscribers on the channel. The goal was to hit 10,000 by August, and it's looking like the beginning of April we're going to hit that. So that's pretty awesome. I want to thank each and every one of you for all that. a lot of people. I mean, it's crazy. But again, thank you everybody for the support. It is greatly appreciated. I do like the fact that you can, go to Disney Springs on a boat. I love that about this place. The old Key West is pretty awesome. Now, of course, they got that water slide over there, the sandcastle one. My son said he's going to give that a shot today. I got my cinnamon roll. We're just waiting on some Mickey waffles and some breakfast sandwiches and stuff, and then we'll get back over to the family, see how they're doing. Shelly's in the shower. Allie's awake. Tanner is happy. We got so many things last night. He woke up this morning. Mom, look at this. Mom, look at this. Mom, look at this. And she's like, you showed me last night when you woke me up. He goes, yeah, well, look at it again. So he had a very good birthday. Everybody's awake. Say hi, Tanner. Tanner, you good? I told everybody about how awesome your birthday was yesterday. All the cool stuff you got. Yeah, he's so excited about it. Allie, you want to say hi? Aw. Shelly, hello.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Is that potatoes?
Yum, that smells good.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't know. Cinnamon roll. Oh, no, there's food on. Why would you have food on the bed?
Wow.
Wow, okay, so this. Wait, is there another one in there?
Yeah.
With Mickey waffles? So I ordered 2. Or I ordered me one too, so. Hey, we're not going to jump on the. Okay, so 4 Mickey waffles and how many sausages?
3.
3? It's actually not bad. I mean, for Disney, that's not bad.
Yeah.
But I was like, ooh, we should go to Chick-fil-A because it is Saturday. This is actually technically cheaper.
Oh.
Because if I was 3 boxes of minis, that would have been $36.
Whoa.
What?
3 boxes of minis?
Yeah.
How many's in each
I can
box?
10.
Oh.
I can eat 10 minis, no problem. I love me some Chick-fil-A. So, you guys ready to eat?
Yep.
Yeah.
But I'm excited for this. It is no joke, 19-ounce tall boy Monster Energy. It is super cool. Oh, what's wrong? You want to go bye-bye?
No.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Where? She doesn't know. Can you do a spin for us? Can you do a spin? Please. You're so pretty though. Come on, spin. Oh, Shelly doing a spin?
I was trying
Mommy do a spin. Ready?
Can I help you do a spin?
So, Allie.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Woo!
So Allie is in dance class and she loves like dancing and spinning and everything like that. So, what do you think? Tanner, birthday, good? Did you get anything? Yeah, he was so excited last night. I want to thank everybody who contributed to the.
Right here.
Yeah, you got that stitch. He literally fell asleep with the baby Yoda last night.
And
He had it all in the stitch all curled up into him. It was super cute.
Thank you so
Oh, yeah.
much.
Yes.
That's too kind.
Yeah.
He
He
had so
You
much.
should have seen it last night. I was just grabbing stuff and putting it on top of him to the point where he couldn't see anymore. And he was like, we don't need this many Donalds. And I'm like, you can never have enough Donalds. So, we're going to eat and then head to the pool.
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Just finished up breakfast. It's now 10 o'clock. Pool is open. Me and Shelly have been watching people play golf kind of like all morning. One guy hit it. He hit it in the sandbar right here, and it's just short 30, 40 feet away from where he hit it. He yard sailed it all the way over into the water over there, and he was like searching around for it. We laughed a little bit, but we get it. I'm not good at golf either, so that's okay. We're actually wrapping up because we're about to go to the pool. And Allie, you want to go to the pool? Do you? Nope. Shelly, ready for the pool?
I'm ready.
The only person not ready is Allie, which is weird because normally she's the one who's on it.
I think it's because we want her to get ready.
Yeah, as we want her.
So I packed her swimsuit so that she can change at the pool, and she said, "Yep."
Yep. Also, we're working on a potential cruise in the future, non-Disney,
Non-Disney.
which is crazy because.
Carnival?
Don't hit him. It was a joke.
No.
No. And
Royal.
Royal, yeah, Royal. We're working.
We gotta try out. Like, we've only done Disney cruise, so We gotta compare it to something.
6 Disney cruises. Yeah. We still have a Disney cruise this year, September.
We do.
So.
This year?
This year?
Not you.
You said.
That's why we're planning another.
You know what,
cruise.
Tanner? You said carnival. And now mommy's always. Uh-oh. Come on, B! She's on one today. All checked out. Now at the pool. Pool's looking massive. I think you can fit 5 or 6 people in there. Show us how it's done, Tanner. You gotta take your shoes off, dude. This is the kids area. It's got a big old sand. This is it for the kids pool, though. There's no splash pad or anything at this location, but Tanner, how's that water temperature? It's okay.
Cold, warm, hot. Warm. And it's very excited there's a hot tub.
Yeah, there is a hot tub here, so he's all. What? Is it cold?
Now it's
Okay, now it's cold. Allie, you want to say hi? She's a little pouty this morning. So we just wrapped up swimming. How was swimming, Tanner? Yeah, you had fun?
yeah.
How was the slide?
Good.
Was it?
It's okay.
Yeah, he's all about slides and water slides and stuff. That's why he likes Typhoon Lagoon. Yeah, and he's excited for that to open because of the water roller coaster. Yep. But yeah, we're wrapping it up here. Anything new coming up?
No.
Just a side note, I just added an after hours party for this month on the 22nd at Hollywood Studios. So we will be there for that. It is a Wednesday night. That just happened like, I don't know, maybe an hour ago. So, and then in May 20th, I'll be at the after hours Typhoon Lagoon event, but that one will be a vlog. It will not be a live stream. What's up? Yeah. Those are the ones, the events that come with the ice cream and the popcorn and the sodas and stuff like that. So it'll be fun. We got 2 of them coming your way. Besides that, there's not a whole lot for the month of March. I mean, it's just birthday boy Tanner, right? Yeah. Set up his computer and we'll see how things go as time moves on. Otherwise than that, everybody, I can't think of much more. Except Allie's really angry right now because we're leaving. Tanner's got a headache. Shelly's getting chicken strips. And then we're all going to go our separate ways. So I want to thank everybody for watching today. You want to say hi to everybody?
No.
Say it's my birthday.
It's not my birthday.
It's not his birthday anymore, but it was yesterday. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button. And, of course, subscribe to the channel. I'd love the support. And it's free to do. It's literally on the shirt. It says... Oh, check out their website, rononthego.com. We have some shirts up, and Shelly is continually working on that, so some more stuff will be up very soon. Otherwise than that, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.